below, this is a demonstration of our final year project. Dzongkha tracing application designed to help users learn and practice writing the national language. This is the home screen, which serves as the entry point for users. Here, users are given two main options: offline mode, which allows users to use the app without internet access; online mode, which requires internet connection. Additionally, we have a language switcher at the top. Now let's put in guest mode, which runs in offline. When the user selects this option, the application checks if it's the user's first time. If the user is logging in for the first time, they are asked to enter a username and select their gender. If the user has already logged in before, they are directly taken to the main home screen of the application. At the top, the app displays the user's profile section. The username and the default avatar is selected based on the user's gender. On the right hand side, we have the number of stars earned by the user, achievements in setting. Below the profile section, we present the main learning content, which includes Dzongkha alphabets, numbers and vowels. Now, when the user selects any learning content, for example alphabets, they are taken to the tracing screen for that specific category. Here, all the alphabet cards are displayed in a scrollable layout, and users can tap on any card to start tracing that specific character. When the user taps on any alphabet card, they are taken into the tracing interface for that specific character. Users must trace along this red path. Once a stroke is completed correctly, the red line turns green and the next stroke becomes active. This continues until the entire character has been traced successfully. After the final stroke is completed, a success sound is played along with all the completed tracings of that item. Below the alphabet cards, there is a quiz button that is related to the selected category. Now let's move on to the quiz feature. Based on the category, different sets of quizzes are available. For alphabets, there are 2 sets, and for numbers, there is 1 quiz set. Once a quiz is started, for each question, users are shown 4 possible answers.
After the user is completing the quiz for the first time, user will be awarded the corresponding achievement and 5 stars will be provided, followed by displaying the completion
After completing
screen.
the trace, the user is automatically taken to the next question. If the user selects the wrong answer, a modal dialog appears informing them that the selected answer is incorrect. The user stays on the same question until they choose the correct answer. On the other hand, if the quiz was already completed in the previous session, the app directly shows the standard quiz completion screen. Now let's take a look at the achievement screen, which when the user clicks on any achievement card, a pop-up or detailed view appears. Completed achievements are visually distinct. They are displayed with a golden border. On the other hand, unearned achievements appear dull without any borders. On the main home screen, users can customize their profile by clicking on their avatar. This navigates them to the avatar border screen, where a collection of different avatar borders is displayed. When the user clicks on any avatar border, a detailed view appears. If the user has enough stars, they can buy the avatar border. It's redirected to the home screen with the new border equipped automatically. If the user does not have enough stars, a pop-up warning appears. The online mode offers account-based access and data synchronization. When the user selects online mode, they are directed to the login screen. If the user doesn't have an account, they must navigate to the registration page, provide valid credentials. An additional feature available in online mode is the ability to send feedback. Inside the settings menu, users will find a section labeled feedback. Users can write their issues or suggestions about the app. Now let's have a look at the admin section. The portal opens with the login screen, where the admin must enter valid credentials to gain access.
Below the user
login, the admin is
feedback
redirected to the dashboard home screen, which provides essential app insights such as the total number of registered users and the gender breakdown. Admins also have the ability to manage user accounts directly from the dashboard. If needed, they can delete user accounts to maintain a clean and safe environment. Upon deletion, the user's profile and related data are removed from the system. The feedback is listed with its timestamp, and new messages appear at the top by default. Admin can mark feedback as read, and when they do, these feedbacks automatically move to the bottom to prioritize unread messages.